You know that feeling when you're just staring at a screen, totally overwhelmed by how much effort it actually takes to build an online audience? Whether you're a brand new entrepreneur trying to market your products, a community leader generating leads, or maybe a thought leader desperate to share your knowledge, trying to find your tribe online can honestly feel like shouting into an absolute void. But listen, what if you had this tireless, incredibly smart digital assistant working in the background 24/7 to find those exact right people for you? Well, welcome to This Explainer. Today, we're unpacking some seriously fascinating insights on how entrepreneurs and creators are using artificial intelligence to build and scale thriving online communities. All right, let's dive right in. Before we get into the actual strategies, we kind of need to demystify the technology itself. Like, what exactly is artificial intelligence? I know, it sounds a bit like a sci-fi movie, right? But I want to disarm that idea for you right now because you're actually interacting with it constantly. If you've ever set up a simple chatbot for a business page, or if you've ever noticed how you suddenly get Facebook ads for a super specific product right after you just bought something similar on Amazon, yeah, that is AI at work in your everyday life. So let's ground this with a really clear definition. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is simply when a system or a machine displays human-like behavior. And honestly, that's it. It's not magic, it's literally just mimicking us. Think about when you're typing away in Google Docs and it lightly suggests the rest of your sentence, anticipating your next word. It's displaying human-like intuition based on patterns. When you look at it that way, it's pretty easy to see why this is such a massive benefit for making our daily lives, and especially our businesses, run smoother. Now, the engine behind all that behavior is a word we hear tossed around all the time: algorithm. But what actually is it? Well, an algorithm is essentially just a set of instructions that uses machine learning techniques to mimic that human-like behavior we just talked about. If AI is the car, the algorithm's the engine under the hood, actually powering the intelligent actions. It's the set of rules that social media sites, Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, use to appear intelligent and actually organize these massive communities. To really wrap your head around how simple this concept is at its core, this source material shares this fantastic childhood anecdote. Picture this. A 10-year-old girl. Her mom decides she needs her own computer, sets up a classic Tandy computer, hands her some cassettes to save programs, tosses her a coding book, and just leaves her there. 3 hours later, the mom peeks her head back in, and that 10-year-old is just frantically typing away, using the instructions in that coding book to make things run on the screen. And guys, that is exactly what an algorithm is. It's a computer using a specific set of instructions to execute an action. Fast forward to today, and that same basic concept is running our daily interactions on social media. Okay, so here's our roadmap for this explainer. First up, the community connection. Then, content creation, automated communication, and smart analytics. And finally, your AI action plan. All right, jumping right into Section 1, the community connection. This quote hits the nail on the head when it comes to the sheer power of this technology applied to human networking. So back in 2008, our source creator and a colleague started a really simple LinkedIn group. The goal? Just to help soldiers find jobs outside of the Army by putting them and employers into one digital space. Because of this connection, the soldiers stopped being just pieces of paper on a resume and became real, actual people to these employers. This led to way better opportunities and higher salary offers. But here is where the AI kicks in. As the group started growing and getting engagement, the analytics spiked. LinkedIn's algorithm noticed this and started proactively suggesting the group to other companies and military folks who fit that exact demographic. The AI saw a healthy community and basically just poured gasoline on the fire. Moving right along to Section 2, Pillar 1, Content Creation. Just look at how heavily these platforms actually help you out before you even hit that publish button. If you're scheduling content, the Meta Business Suite uses AI to suggest the absolute best hashtags for your copy. It suggests which products to tag, and it literally tells you the best days and times to post for your specific audience. Over on LinkedIn, the AI is always hunting for engagement opportunities, prompting you to send kudos or celebrate a connection's new job or mention specific people in your posts to drive up your views. And Snapchat? It uses AI facial recognition just to make sure those crazy filters move flawlessly with your face. The platforms actually want you to succeed, and they use algorithms to do the heavy lifting of content optimization. Next up, Section 3, Pillar 2, Automated Communication. So different platforms automate communication in some pretty brilliant ways to help you engage your audience. Facebook uses chatbots and call-to-action buttons, meaning when people message your business, the AI instantly answers FAQs or directs them to sign up, all without you lifting a finger. LinkedIn has this suggested connections feature to help you proactively invite the exact right people to your events and groups to grow your followers.
Pinterest uses suggested ideas so you can see exactly what like-minded folks are pinning, making it super easy to connect and share with them. The AI is literally handing you conversation starters and automating your customer service.
Which brings us to Section 4, Pillar 3, Smart Analytics. The really good news here is that AI solves your growth problem using pure data. Want more followers who act exactly like your current best customers? You can use Facebook and Instagram's analytics to run ads targeting a lookalike audience. The AI literally goes out and finds exact matches for your current tribe. On Twitter, the AI curates suggested lists and topics based purely on your specific analytics to keep you relevant. And over on TikTok, man, that algorithm is famously powerful. It analyzes watch time data to push your videos out to the exact right audience on the For You page and gives users direct suggestions to follow your account. The algorithm is absolutely necessary to give us these incredible conveniences. All right, let's bring it all together in Section 5, your AI action plan. So the absolutely crucial point here is not to let yourself get overwhelmed trying to be everywhere at once. The source material outlines 3 super actionable steps to start harnessing the algorithm right now. Step 1, decide on the one media platform you feel most comfortable with. Just pick one to start. Step 2, go into that platform and check the analytics section. Look at what the data is telling you about your past posts. Have you been creating consistent content? Now, if the answer is no, don't panic. That leads straight to Step 3. Create a realistic plan to make consistent content actually happen. Listen, the AI needs consistent data to learn who to show your content to. You absolutely have to feed the machine. Which leaves us with this final big question. Are you ready to lean into the algorithm? Because here's why all of this matters so much. The more you deliberately interact with social media platforms and actually leverage the underlying power of the algorithm, the more you're going to gain reach, build a loyal following, and ultimately find your community online. AI isn't here to replace the entrepreneur, guys. It's here to empower you. Thanks so much for hanging out with me for this explainer, and seriously, I highly encourage you to go check out those analytics today.